Do you know why you feel motivated one day and completely lost the next? Why you start something with full energy, but you can't continue it? And the most important question, is motivation really the problem, or are we depending on the wrong thing? Today, you're going to understand something that can completely change the way you learn English and even your life. Welcome to my channel, English Inspire Audio. Here, we learn English in a simple and practical way through listening and shadowing practice in just 15 minutes. And along with English, you will also explore powerful ideas about growth, mindset, daily habits, and becoming a better version of yourself. Let's continue. Before we start today's topic, let me tell you something important. On this channel, we don't learn English the traditional way. We don't focus too much on grammar rules or memorizing difficult vocabulary, because that is not how real people learn a language. Think about it. When a child learns a language, they don't study grammar first. They listen again and again and again, and then they start speaking. That is exactly what we do here. We use shadowing practice. You listen and you speak. Along with me, not after me, but with me. Slowly, your brain starts copying the sound, the rhythm, the flow. And without realizing, your English starts improving. And the best part is, here, you are not just learning English. You are learning how to think better, how to grow, how to understand life. Through real stories, powerful ideas, and meaningful lessons. So today we are going to talk about something that controls your success, your growth, your habits, your future. The topic is motivation versus consistency. Which one is more important, motivation or consistency? Let's find out. Imagine this. You wake up one day feeling super motivated. You say to yourself, from today, I will change my life. You make a plan, you feel excited, you start working hard. Day 1, perfect. Day 2, still good. Day 3, a little slow. And then, day 5, you don't feel like doing anything. No energy, no motivation, no excitement. And suddenly, everything stops. Sound familiar? This is the problem. Most people depend on motivation. But motivation is unreliable. It comes and it goes. You cannot control it. Now think about another person. They don't feel motivated every day. In fact, most days they feel lazy, but still they do the work, John, every single day, even when they don't feel like it. They show up again and again and again. That is called consistency. And here's the truth. Motivation can start something, but only consistency can finish it. Let me explain this in a simple way. Motivation is like a spark. It gives you a quick start, but consistency is like fuel. It keeps you going for a long time. Without fuel, the spark dies. Now let's connect this with English learning. If you only study when you feel motivated, you will never become fluent, because motivation will not come every day. But if you practice, even for 10 minutes every day, No matter how you feel, your English will improve automatically. Most people make this mistake. They wait. I will start when I feel ready. I will practice when I feel motivated. But successful people, they don't wait. They act even when they don't feel like it. Let's go deeper. Why do we depend on motivation? Because we want everything to feel easy. We want to feel excited. We want to feel good. But real growth doesn't feel good every day. Sometimes it feels boring. It feels slow. It feels difficult. And that's normal. If you only work when you feel good, you will stay average. Consistency means you accept the boring days. You accept the slow progress. You accept that not every day will be perfect, but still, you don't stop. Think about a person who goes to the gym. Day 1, they are excited. Day 2, still strong. After 1 week, they feel tired. After 2 weeks, they want to quit. Now, if they stop, they lose everything. But if they continue, even slowly, after 3 months, after 6 months, after 1 year, their entire body changes. That is the power of consistency. Same with English. If you practice daily shadowing, listening, speaking, repeating, even if it feels small, after some time, you will notice something. You understand more. You speak better. You feel confident. Now, a quick question for you. Listen carefully. What is more important for long-term success? A. Motivation. B. Consistency. Think about it. I will tell you the answer at the end. Now let's be practical. How can you become consistent? Step 1. Don't set big goals. Instead of saying, I will study for 2 hours, say, I will practice for 10 minutes. Small but daily. Step 2. Fix a time. Same time every day. Your brain will get used to it. Step 3. Remove pressure. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. Step 4. Use shadowing, listen, and speak. Don't think too much. Just follow. Remember this: motivation is temporary. Consistency is permanent. Motivation makes you feel good. Consistency makes you become good. So, what was the answer? The correct answer is B. Consistency, because consistency is what creates real change. Before we finish, let's go over some important words from this lesson. These words will help you improve your English and sound more natural when you speak. Don't just listen, try to understand them and use them in your daily life. 1. Consistency. Doing something regularly without stopping. 2. Motivation. The feeling that makes you want to do something. 3. Discipline, doing something even when you don't feel like it. 4. Progress. Slow improvement over time. 5. Habit. Something you do automatically every day. So keep learning, keep listening, and keep improving every single day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video, you are going to learn something even more powerful, something that can improve your English and your life at the same time. So stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.